The bay leaf is an aromatic leaf commonly used in cooking. It can be used whole or in a dried or ground form. What is bay leaf good for? Bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. These vitamins are all known to support a healthy immune system. Bay leaf tea can help ease bouts of upset stomach. The tea is also very aromatic, which can help relieve sinus pressure or stuffy nose. Why is bay leaf poisonous? Main reason to remove them. Interestingly, lab studies on the essential oils in bay leaves have found that they may be toxic to some harmful pathogens, including certain strains of bacteria and fungus. How do I use bay leaves? Bay leaves are available whole, either fresh or dried or ground into a powder. The leaves are added to slow-cooked recipes, such as soups, sauces, and stews, and are removed before serving the dish. They have a floral and herbal scent reminiscent of oregano and thyme and are used more often than any other herb. What are the side effects of bay leaves? Taking bay leaf in large amounts might cause sleepiness and drowsiness. Medications that cause sleepiness are called sedatives. Taking large amounts of bay leaf along with sedative medications might cause too much sleepiness. Is cinnamon and bay leaf same? These are quite different to the European bay leaf, Laurus nobilis, and are actually leaves from a type of cinnamon tree. The flavor is distinctly clove-like, slightly spicy and refreshing.